Every Filipino knows sinigang, the sour soup that reminds us of home. But what if I told you sinigang may be one of the oldest surviving dishes in Philippine history?
Long before colonizers arrived, long before modern kitchens existed, ancient Filipinos were already cooking food with natural souring ingredients. So where did sinigang really come from? And why has it survived for centuries?
To understand sinigang, we need to travel back hundreds of years. Before Spain arrived in 1521, Filipinos were already skilled fishermen, farmers, and traders. Food wasn't just about survival. It reflected the environment around them. And one flavor dominated many early Filipino dishes: sourness. Living in a tropical climate presented challenges. Food spoiled quickly. Sour ingredients not only enhanced flavor, but also helped preserve freshness. Early Filipinos used ingredients readily available in nature: tamarind, guava, kamias, santol, calamansi. Each region developed its own version of sour soups. Unlike many famous dishes around the world, sinigang wasn't invented by one person. It evolved naturally over generations. Different communities used different proteins: fish, shrimp, pork, beef. What united them was the sour broth. Empires rose and fell. Colonizers came and went. Foreign influences changed Filipino cuisine. Yet sinigang remained. Why? Because it adapted. Every generation made it their own. But its soul stayed the same. Today, sinigang remains one of the most beloved Filipino dishes. It's comfort food, family food, home in a bowl, and perhaps one of the oldest living connections to our ancestors. Sinigang is more than just a soup. It's a story passed down through generations. A reminder of how ancient Filipinos used the land, the sea, and their ingenuity to create something timeless.